Hey everyone and welcome back. Whisper AI not working after installation. Let me show you the most common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1: Python is not in your system path. When installing Python, you must check Add Python to Path. If you miss this, uninstall and reinstall Python with the box checked. Mistake 2: FFmpeg is missing Whisper needs FMP to read audio files. On Windows, download FFmpeg.org and add it to your system path. On Mac, run brew install FFmpeg. On Linux, run sudo apt install FFmpeg. Mistake 3: using the wrong Python version. Whisper requires Python 3.8 to 3.1. Python 3.12 and above are not yet supported. Check your version with Python -- version. Mistake 4: PyTorch installation. Failed. Run pip install torch first before installing Whisper. The Whisper package depends on PyTorch. Mistake 5: command not found after installation. On Mac or Linux, try pip3 instead of pip. On Windows, use Python -meters pip install Whisper. Mistake 6: running Whisper on a file with special characters in the name. Rename your file to use only letters, numbers, and underscores. Mistake 7: out of memory error. Your computer ran out of RAM. Use the tiny model instead of medium. Add -- model tiny to your command. And that is it. Fix these 7 common mistakes and Whisper will work perfectly. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.